What is the is? A relationship in Python OOP inheritance. Imagine you have a big box of building blocks. Some blocks are simple, but others are special shapes that fit together in a certain way. In Python programming, especially when working with classes, there's a way to show how one thing is a kind of another. That's what the is, a relationship, is all about. In Python's object-oriented programming, the is, a relationship helps us understand how classes connect. It means that one class is a more specific version of another class. When you say class B is a class A, you're saying that class B inherits from class A. This means class B gets all the features of class A, plus some new ones. Let's think about animals. You might have a class called animal. Now, if you create a class called dog that inherits from animal, a dog is an animal. Every dog can do what an animal can do, like walk or eat. But a dog can also do special things like bark. So dog is a subclass of animal, and it has all the qualities of an animal plus its own. In code it looks like this. Class animal, def walk self, return walking. Class dog animal, def bark self, return barking. Here, the class dog inherits from animal. That means every dog object can walk because it inherits the walk method from animal. It can also bark because that method is in the dog class. The is, a relationship, makes it clear. A dog is a kind of animal. This idea is different from the has a relationship. Has a is about one object containing another. For example, a car has an engine, but car is not an engine. Inheritance, or the is, a relationship, shows how classes are related in a hierarchy. Most of the time, Python uses single inheritance, where a class has just one parent. But it also supports multiple inheritance, where a class can have more than one parent. No matter how many parents a class has, the is, a rule still applies. Using the is, a relationship helps organize your code better. It makes it easier to reuse code and understand how classes relate. When designing your classes, ask yourself if one class really is a type of another. If it is, inheritance is a good choice. If not, maybe you should use composition, which is the has a relationship. You can check if one class is a subclass of another by using the built-in function called isUbClass. For example, isUbClass dog animal returns true, confirming the is, a relationship. To sum up, the is, a relationship in Python object-oriented programming, shows that one class is a more specific version of another. It helps you build clear, organized, and reusable code. Understanding this concept is key to mastering Python programming and creating effective class structures.